Hi, it's Madison again, and now I am in a much different unit than you've seen so far. I am in the Airstream Interstate Grand Tour. So this is in refined brown. That's this coloring here. And Grand Tour means that there's no two seats up here. So in the lounge, there are two captain chairs here. And we don't have those here, so there's a couple of pros and cons to that. The pros are bigger fridge, bigger closet, much longer galley. The one downside, in my opinion, is that in a lounge you get an extra window here outside, and so it's a little darker, but it's worth it for all of the storage space that you get and all the utility that you get from these extra things. This is a 2020, so we've got the new Mercedes dashboard here. It's gone from the delivery truck style of the years before to now it's actually looking like the luxury Mercedes vehicle that it is. So this is a 24-foot long unit. So we're on the longer wheelbase of the Mercedes Sprinter, and this is a 3500, which means you can pull 5,000 pounds with this. And that's awesome, so you can pull your own base camp behind it. This is also four-wheel drive, which is great for snow. I wouldn't say off-road. I mean, it has the capability in four-wheel drive, but I would always be careful because it doesn't sit super high, and I'll show you that outside in a moment. But this is, you've seen so many different things, and this is the most luxurious and the most automated. So right off the bat up here, this is the door here. I've got it closed, but you've got your control screen here. You'll be able to turn on the lights. So I'm going to turn the master lights off, turn them back on. You've got a cinema mode. You can control your temperature here. You can even move, your blinds. You can turn on the generator. This has a Cummins generator here. That will power your air conditioner and charge your batteries. And it's a smart generator, and you can set up systems where it'll kick on when your AC kicks on and all that good stuff. You've got a bigger panel like that up here. A little bit more details in it. But same kind of idea is that you just are able to control all this. You've got your inverter, just like it's an inverter of 1,000 watts like in the trailers, just a different looking system. And then this comes with solar on top, and this is telling us about the solar voltage. We're inside right now, so it's not getting a whole bunch. This is where you could put in either like a smart device like Apple TV or a Roku, but this is also pre-wired for the Airstream Connect. So you can put in the Wi-Fi router that comes with the kit, and then you have a satellite on top already, and then you'd have Wi-Fi on the go, which is awesome. You've got the same type of faucet and stove as the base camp and some other smaller models. You've also got a convection microwave. This one's a little bit nicer. Everything has locks on it like in the trailers here. And I see is the drawer type. You can see all the stuff it comes with there. And then this fridge here is a lot like it's the same brand actually as in the base camp and the Caravelle and the Bambi. You've just got more to it. So it's a little taller, and then it's got a separate door here for the freezer. Like that. And then this is your storage that you get in the Grand Tour that you don't have in the lounge. And just look at these hinges. That's what's awesome about Airstreams, is that they don't spare in the parts. They go for it, and they And they put all the best stuff in here. So this lasts longer than a piano hinge. And it's going to hold up better than when you're, when you're rolling down the road and everything's rocking around, because that's how it goes when you're driving. So this can be either a pantry, like it's set up now, or these shelves are removable and you can kind of see it. This is a closet, so you could hang up. Let me turn on this light so you can see a little better. Maybe. There we go. So a hanging rod there. And then you've got some drawers. Awesome versatility there, deciding how you want to do it. But also, you've got so much overhead storage. And these are all pretty deep. So you've got these. And then this back here, the one straight back, is super big and deep. So you could definitely put, like duffel bags in here. Look at that. That's huge. You can kind of see my hand for reference. And again, these hinges are just incredible. These are positive locking cabinets. That just means that it's not going to fly open when you're going down the road. So this is the bed. And how it becomes a bed is awesome as well, because you just do it by the push of a button. So I'll push this and it lays down for us. And some people will bring like a foam pad along to put on top. And these come in as well. I just haven't done it so I can walk through. But it is actually super soft and comfortable. And then the seat belts, you can tuck down behind before you lay it down. There are seat belts for 5 people back here, 3 in the back, 2 on the side. You've got a TV back here. Same kind of nylon cord, so you can pull on it and move it in here. You've got another control system here. And this, you'll see little things like this in the trailers. This is a thermostat. So this will see what the temperature's at in here so it can adjust. And then, so more storage here. Your blinds. So you may have seen that there's like a blinds option on your control panels. It's because these are all automated. And I'll close them so you can see that. Let's see. So you've got a day shade and night shade. Even here. And then in this Interstate, so Airstream and Mercedes have a really great relationship. And Airstream gets their Mercedes with every option available that Mercedes provides. And so part of that is a lot of other manufacturers don't do is we get Airstream gets extra airbags. So there's an extra airbag in the thorax here and then up here. So you don't have the curtains that come across for privacy up here, but you've got so much more safety. And there are provided window covers that are magnetic onto the frame there. So you still have that privacy at nighttime, but you also have so much extra safety. You can see, you probably have seen already, but this seat I was in, these both turn around. You've got a little desk here, and it can swivel out to be out here. And this is the same table that would go in the back. You can kind of see the mounting bracket back there. So this slides off and you can put it back there. So you could have the table in either place. If you've got the bed down there, you can, have breakfast and coffee here. And you've got all of those options. You've got this fantastic fan up top, as well as the same type of fan in the bathroom. So I'm going to open the bathroom. This is going to be really familiar to other 16-footers. So it's the combined shower bath. You've got a curtain there, and this is the actual shower head. It's really awesome. It's compact and really efficient. And then you've got your place for body wash and shampoo and conditioner. And of course, you gotta have somewhere to cover your toilet paper up. So let's go outside and take a look some more. This is what I mean by everything being like totally automated. You just push a button and things happen. So, going around outside, you can see it's lifted a little higher. because of the 4-wheel drive. I should say 6-wheel drive, because you can see you got duals back here. This is where you'd fill up your propane, where your other units have, you know, those 2 tanks. The tank is integrated here. So you've got an on and off switch, you've got a fill, you've got a bleeder valve, and then this is that quick connect. So you could put in like a, you know, outdoor stove or fire pit and be able to use propane from in the coach. And back here we've got both these doors open. You've got your shades. See, that was covering those windows. So you can see these are rugs that go in the front, but there's quite a bit of storage here, and it actually goes all the way down and under, so you can you know, put suitcases in there or any of that kind of stuff. And there's actually a screen that comes down beyond this that'll keep, it's like a bug screen. And I mentioned towing. This is a cover here, but you've got a regular 2-inch receiver with a 7-way plug. And then back here, we've got a lot of the standard stuff, but it's in a different way. So you've got water inlets, you've got furnace exhausts. Something cool though is that this has, so this is the outdoor shower, that's the wrong thing. This has a macerator pump, and that would be here. It looks like the outdoor shower, but that's this here. And what the macerator does is it, instead of using gravity to get all the tanks emptied, it uses a pump. So it makes sure it gets everything out. It's really easy, and it's a smaller cord, and you don't have to move a sewer hose around. It's already integrated, and so it makes it just all that much easier. And let's take a look at the engine here, because that's, oh, you've got, so this is diesel. I didn't mention that before. And you actually put the fuel in right here. So the driver's side has to be open, which gives another level of security. We can pop this hood open here. And this comes in the silver, which is the part of the Airstream look, but you can also get it in white or black. It's tough to do one-handed. I'm going to set this down for just a second. Really clean engine here. You've got your DEF fluid. There's an air ride suspension in here. It's controlled from the back, but you got emergency controls for that, where you can fill up this rear suspension. And the real idea behind like this air ride suspension is that you can have a comfortable ride, but you can also even out when you're parked, and it's like almost like a leveling system. So this is the Interstate. The Interstate list, I'll show you the list price. I'll show you the sheet here in a minute. It lists at $201,094 or $954, excuse me. And I will show you this. If you want more options, or more info, I should say, or you want a copy of this paper, leave us a comment or give us a call. We can give you some info on deals on it as well. Again, we're giving away a free Weber grill with every deposit put down today, as well as being entered into a raffle. In this case, it wouldn't be the equalizer hitch because you don't need it for this, but we'll have an equivalent for you. Let us know if you have any questions. I wasn't able to answer them if you asked them during this time, but we'll answer them in a post to follow. Thanks.